Hi, my name is Peter, and in this video I'm gonna show you the most powerful technique of learning music production. So before we get into the video, I just want to say I made a lo-fi song, which is a submission for song contest on Splice. So if you'd like to check it out, I put a link in the description, and it's already on SoundCloud and on Splice, so you can check it out if you want. So, if I could give advice to myself from the past when I was just starting, I would literally tell him to do a lot of remakes. And by that, I don't mean to actually create every sound from the song, which is pretty hard at the beginning, but just try to catch as much elements of the song and do a remake of the arrangement as I did here. A lot of the things in songs are kind of like rules. Most of the people follow them, and by just remaking you can learn what works, which things work together. If you really start to do a lot of remakes, you can really learn a lot of stuff, everything basically. If you want to learn drums, you have a drums in a remake. If you want to learn leads, you have leads in a remake as well. If you want to learn transitions, there is a lot of transitions. For example, build up, you basically build the tension, and then in drop you release it. That's it. And by just remaking, you can learn how to do these transitions from the verse, build up to the drop, and then from the drop release the tension to a breakdown, and then transition to another elements and other parts of the song. That's very important to know how to do. And then you can save this, for example, the project of remade song as a template, and you can actually, as you can see, I have every element from here to the drop. I pointed that out with MIDI clips, and then you can just simply take that, save as a template or as a project, and throw it into your another project, and you basically have MIDI clips. You can just start adding things here. Like for example, here there is a guitar and you put your own guitar, there's a crash rising, you put your own samples, and you basically make song out of that saved project. The song I have here, this is a remix of Skrillex Mind, I guess. So yeah, and I use these locators to set them in a crucial places like intro, verse, and build up. Pre-chorus, there is even like these, all the sections of the song has been pointed by these locators. And yeah, so I've been listening a couple of times to the same part, like pre-intro and intro, and I was just creating a new MIDI clips. And basically there's no sound on this MIDI, it's just a MIDI track, and I put like a note, so I know that the crash starts here and the guitar starts there, and I named them so I know what elements are in which places. That's good. And then I can just take this project, save as a template, or just save and put this into another project, a new project, and just put some elements here the same actually, but it's gonna sound totally different if you use your own sound, if you put your own idea in it. It's not gonna be the same. So you can actually create a drum rack and put, when the drums hits in the original, you can put a MIDI notes here, and then you can take this MIDI clip of the drums and you can put this into your own project, and you basically all you have to do is upload your own drums and you have a build-up of drums. It's pretty simple. Yeah, so you get the idea, which works perfectly, by the way. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you have any idea, if you want me to record something special, you can leave the idea as well in the comments below. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.